like when the sun shines on it. It looks really nice. For this style, I'll be attempting the leave out method, and just for the perimeters of my hair. Hi there everyone, and a very lovely welcome to you. If you are new or already a part of my YouTube family, I'm reminding myself and you also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look by using the Janet banana braid. Basically went ahead and I cut it and I feathered it. Basically the same method that I did for my first install, like exactly the same as what I'm gonna do. So which is cutting the hair in half and then that half cut it in another half, so like a half and a quarter. Hopefully that makes, yeah, a half and then a quarter. And yeah, and this is a color number 2 for the video for the first install. And if you guys didn't see the video that I did on this, I will put it in the cards above. Feel free to check it out. I kind of wanted to make it look more natural looking, you know, so I decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna give it some layers, cut it a little bit and shape it up to my liking. And of course this is what I came up with. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for future uploads. All right then guys, thank you so much for your support, your love, and God bless.
So see that? So it blends very well. Like, I mean, my hair is like more of like a, I say 1B, and then you see that. Can you stop? You see it? It's like a nice highlights, like when the sun shines on it. It looks really nice. You cannot say this hair. Just hold on a minute. You can't say that I pay like $7 for this hair. Or maybe you can because I'm telling you, but if I didn't tell you, then you wouldn't know. So alright then guys.